Hi everyone, welcome to SACR classes. Today in this video, how to draw a semicircle of diameter 10 centimeter in easy way. So please watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. First of all, let us draw here a line segment of length 10 centimeters. So with the help of scale and you have to use pencil. So first drawing a line segment of length 10 centimeter PQ. Okay, now roughly discussing here some important note. So diameter equal 10 centimeter. Now finding radius. So radius equal half of diameter. So this is 5 centimeter. So now finding radius 5 centimeter. So here this is 5 centimeters. So first marking on the line 5 centimeter here. Next putting the compass here and measuring OP and drawing here an arc by same way OQ and drawing another arc. So this is a perfect semicircle and labeling here center O. Radius OQ is 5 centimeter and also radius OP is 5 centimeter. Therefore diameter PQ is 10 centimeter and radius OP equal OQ equal 5 centimeter. So that's all. Thanks for watching.